I'm Mrs. Jansi, clinical instructor working at M College of Nursing. Today, I'm going to discuss about the terminologies which is related to male reproductive system. So the objective is the learners will be able to learn and understand the terminologies which is being used in the male reproductive system and its purpose. Yes. So its purpose and specialized function is to continue the species. The human reproductive system is composed of two distinct structures and functioning systems. One is male and the other is female reproductive system. So in today's class, we are going to discuss in detail about the male reproductive system terminologies. So let's move on. The first terminology is anarchism. Anarchism means it is the absence of one or two testes. And ovulation. And ovulation is nothing but the absence of something, right? So it is the absence of ovulation. Third one is azoospermia. It is nothing but the semen is without the live sperm. Next one is the ballotment. Ballotment is nothing but a physical examination, hand maneuver used to elevate the shape and size of a deep structure or organ. That is known as ballotment. Moving on to the next one is the bimanual examination. Bimanual examination is nothing but the palpation of the uterus and the ovaries using gloved fingers inside the vagina and the other hand outside of the body on the pelvic area over the pelvic brim. Coitus is a sexual union. Detumescence is the subsiding of blood engorged tissue after the orgasm. Digital rectal examination is the examination of the prostate using a gloved finger inserted into the rectum. Gynecomastia. Gynecomastia is the abnormal enlargement or development of the male breast. Hypospadiasis. Hypospadiasis is the opening of the male urethra on the underside of the penis. Libido is a sexual desire. Coitus is a sexual union, whereas libido is a sexual desire. Priapism is nothing but a persistent abnormal erection of the penis that is not accompanied by the sexual desire. Cryptorchidism. Cryptorchidism is a condition in which one or both testes fail to descend into the scrotum and remain in the abdomen itself, in the inguinal canal or at the external inguinal ring. Epididymitis is nothing but the inflammation of the epididymis. Prostatitis. It refers to a chronic inflammation of the prostate gland, usually the form of infection. Impotence is also known as erectile dysfunction. Testicular torsion. Testicular torsion is an abnormal twisting of the spermatic cord that's caused by rotation of the testis. BPH is nothing but the benign prostatic hyperplasia, which refers to the enlargement of the prostate gland. Hematocele. In hematocele, the blood has been collected in the body cavity, such as either the scrotum, testis, or the pelvic region. Hydrocele. Hydro means water. So it is a collection of clear fluid in a testis. Moving on to the next one. So the spermatocele is a cyst containing sperm cells that occurs near the epididymis. A varicocele. Varicocele is an abnormal condition which is characterized by dilation of the veins of the spermatic cord. Hyperplasia. Plasia, this is related to the endometrium over the development of the uterine lining. Oligospermia. Oligo means less. So this is a condition in which the amount of the sperm in semen is low in number or low in count. Phimosis is a constriction of the foreskin over the penis that makes it unable to be drawn back over the glans penis. That is known as phimosis. Okay, now let's discuss about some root elements and how does that derived from. So let's see, have a look at the first word, sperm. A sperm, I spermato. Yeah, this denotes the seed or semen. Okay, the suffix I or C, which means IC means pertaining to. Poiesis means production or creation. So spermatopoietic means seed or semen. It denotes the seed or semen. Genesis. We know Genesis is a beginning, there is a creation of production. So it is either creation or production. Spermatogenesis is nothing but the production or creation of the sperm. That is a beginning. Next one is cyte. Cyte means cell. So spermatocyte, the cell of the seed or semen, that is a male germ cell. ISM or ism, spermatism, which the word ends with ISM, which means state or condition. So spermatism means emission of sperm or semen. That is known as spermatism. Schisis or cases, you can also either call it as cases or schisis. This is to check or to suppress, which means spermatocases either to check or suppress the seed or the semen. Side. Side means to kill, death, or to destruct. Spermicide. It is to kill the semen or the seed. Okay. Gen. Gen means production. So the root word is androgen. Androgen means it represents the male hormone testosterone. This is also related to the word genesis, that is production or creation. So in androgen, there is a hormone which is being secreted and it represents the hormone testosterone. Balano or balano, it is related with the glans penis. So the infection is known as the balanitis. It is nothing but the inflammation of the glans penis. Moving on to the next one, epidemo or epididymo. Itis means inflammation, as you all know. So epididymitis means the inflammation of the epididymis. Gon or gono, it denotes the word seed. So gon plus oria or gonorrhea means the discharge of the seed. That is, sexually transmitted disease is being discharged and the other person will be affected. So that is the word gonorrhea, means discharge of the seed through sexual mode of contact. Okay, moving on to the next one, orc, orco, orchi, orchio, orchid, orchido. These are the root words which denotes, when the word you see orco, orchi, orchid, it denotes testis or the testis. You can also write TS, TS or TES, TIS. So orchiectomy, ectomy means something which is removed. Surgical removal of the testis, orchiectomy. Orchitis means inflammation of the testis. Prostato. Now let's move on to the next word. Prostato means prostate gland, something related to the prostate gland. So prostatitis means inflammation of the prostate gland. Prostatectomy means surgical removal of the prostate gland. The next word is crypto. Crypto means hidden. Cryptorchidism means a state of testicles, a known condition when one or both testes do not descend. When one or both the testes is not getting descended is known as cryptorchidism. Moving on to the next word, semni or semni is nothing but semen or seed, sperm. So this ferus, bearing or carrying, that means producing. So seminiferous means the sperm bearing and carrying, which is going to be produced. That is known as semini or seminiferous. Next is testo or testicles, which means testicular pertaining to the testicles. Testicular, which is pertaining to the word testicles. Varico or varicocele. Varico plus cele, it gives varicocele. That is nothing but the protrusion or hernia. Hernia of the varicose veins, a mass of varicose veins in the spermatic cord. Inside the spermatic cord, there will be a mass of varicose veins seen. That is the hernia, varicocele or protrusion. Next is vaso. Vaso means vessel duct, known as the vas deferens. Okay, so next moving on to the word vasectomy. Surgical removal of the vessel duct, that is vas deferens. Moving on to the next word, zoo. Zoospermia, azoospermia. So zoo is something related to the animal life. IA means abnormal condition. Sperm, sperm means sperm or its seed. Azoospermia means it is absence, right? So absence of motile and hence a viable sperm in the semen is absent. All right. So these are the root words from A to Z. We had seen in this order according from Genesis, that is the formation and creation. From there till azoospermia, that is absence of motile sperm in the semen. These are some of the references. I think you understood what are the important terminologies that is under the male reproductive system. These are some of the references which I had referred. You can also go through. And thank you.